So, I mean, right now we just took out data low, drawing towards data highs. I see that we have this 4 hour for value gap. I mean, we're still just consolidating on the higher time frames. I don't know if we're gonna come and sweep out the low resistance yet, but I mean, it's definitely a possibility that we can.
Yeah, I'll just have to wait. Like we have SMTs on the top and the bottom, so
Yeah.
it's not really got.
Just one of y'all.
I look, you want to look this short. Even though that data high is there, it's inside the hourly gap.
That's true, yeah. I mean, honestly, shorts do look nice. We closed a 4 hour. The 15-minute we closed.
And data high made the SMT at the top too.
True, inside of a 15-minute and a 1 hour.
Yeah, tap 50% of the 1 hour perfectly on the data wick. We have like give this 5 minute. It's like slightly unfilled. Barely worked into it, but it's like low key. That 5 minute inverse is like I would go for maybe data high, but as long as like we're below that, I would look to short to the 7 a.m. low.
Yeah, we're dropping hard here.
And this 15 minute inverse holds.
Yeah, I honestly like that 15-minute inverse. It does look nice.
Yeah, it
Out
looks
of
like a hard flip.
yeah, out of the 1 hour.
Yeah. Now we're just coming off of the 15 minute like order blocker CISD. Honestly, I would call that a CISD because it made the S&T those highs. Sheesh. Two-minute inverse right there.
Yeah, wow, we're dumping.
Yeah. That was the highest time frame gap to inverse as well.
Mhm. 'Yo, can you? I don't
So
know.
what?
Can you just check my screen real quick? Oh shit, I didn't realize I wasn't streaming. Um, do you know how to reset this, like, layout?
Yeah, just use that box up there, like that empty like square box, and then use it to do two.
Well, no, like, I want to get like
Or what do you want to do?
like I want to get the orders, the
Oh,
dot,
you have
like.
the refresh button at the top, right?
Oh, okay, bad, perfect. Yep, perfect. Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
If you pull it back, so I can see you, it's enough to um, hit the plus button and just drop a DOM. You
Oh,
don't have
like,
to refresh.
oh, okay,
Yeah,
like right
just add
here.
the component.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you
Okay.
could have it as its own like little tab if you wanted to.
Oh, perfect. Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. I'm just gonna be looking at short like as long until the hourly gap is flipped. I feel like there's no reason to long. And then like the draws higher or above that gap.
Yeah, I think you're right, honestly.
We do have like these relative equal highs where I think that's where Asia is. Like those smooth edge highs, but I mean like we definitely would want to see the hourly flip for longing to that 930 to at 930.
Valid, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that like the hourly and then this 15 as well, like both of them. If we hold weak out of this hourly, this 15-minute inverse into the open is holding, then I would assume at least the 7 a.m. lows. Oh yeah, and if you take like if you take a fib from like the London high down to like the low, like all the way that we have at the bottom at 7 o'clock, like we tap equilibrium as well in that hourly.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a perfect tap. Dug into discount.
Mhm.
Yeah, no, I do like lower, honestly.
Like we have like the SMT below, but like technically, I mean, it delivered us into the hourly. So if that was like the objective at the moment, then
Yeah.
the S&T up top should be like the most recent to hold, in my opinion. We could make another S&T at the second internal low that we're next to.
Yeah.
Yes.
We do have a small SMT on the 32nd, but I mean, that's not. I don't think that's gonna hold.
It says we're supposed to be getting October's PPI data, but it just says like it doesn't have a time on it.
Oh, it's like today. It's scheduled for.
Yeah, I mean, it has it on today's calendar, but there's no time. It just says October data, and it hasn't been, or yeah, it hasn't been reported yet. But let me refresh and see. Oh, okay, never mind. It was all October was reported. Okay.
Okay.
Got a bit to market.
I don't know why that's happening. That's weird.
What?
The SMT indicator isn't populating properly.
Oh, I see.
I'm gonna have to talk to them.
Wonder if those indicators just store like kind of store data and then they get like backed up and then they start to kind of like delay themselves.
I wonder.
I wouldn't think so, but
Yeah.
or like some kind of like a cache for it, like a data cache. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Like have to. Yeah.
ES and NQ already look like they're gonna discorrelate.
Mm-hmm. I hate how ES looks. Like, it's not. It doesn't ever look clean pre-market. Like the bodies.
Yeah. Because ES's volume is just so like
Yes.
it's already low as it is, and then pre-market it's like nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Like a 1 minute chart on ES overnight is like actually bad.
Oh, trust me, I've seen that chart before overnight.
It like actually doesn't look real.
It looks so bad.
Mhm. I thought we were gonna go for the internal low, but looks like we're going for internal high. ES might take it first here.
We do have SMC with YM right here at these internal highs. But let's see. Right here. Still got 12 minutes.
Yeah. ES took that high as well. Apparently, hedge funds had their biggest gains in the last 16 years through 2025.
Wow. Through
Makes sense.
2025. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Trump literally gave a buy signal.
Yeah, I mean that's insane.
No, but it actually does make sense because, like, we wiped out what 4 to 5 years worth of gains and then recovered it completely all in the same year.
Yeah, it's like in any situation, like hedge funds are definitely positioning on those kind of like dips down 20% down.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yep.
Yo, what's up?
Yo.
What up?
Trading?
Yes, sir.
Market open 10 minutes, okay. Mhm, mhm. Do you guys have an indicator to calculate your stop loss size, everything, or you do with your hand?
So I usually do it with my hand, but on our Dodgy indicator, it does it for you. So if you pull up my screen real quick, you can see right here it has it populated.
Wait. I come. Okay. Wait, what did you see?
So here, I'll go back in time.
Yeah.
So we get the flip up right here. And
Yeah,
then
okay.
it's just loading. 1 second. Right here. So 29 contracts equals $507 worth of risk. If you go into the settings over here, you can change how much risk you want per trade setup and then where you want the stop loss to be.
Yeah, because hits automatically, but only for IAVG.
Yeah. Well, we have it integrated, the logic for the stop losses
Yeah,
into
okay.
his. Yeah.
No, because I just finally just I click on my chart entry price. I click on my chart stop loss price and click for the TP, and I can move up as I want, and it calculates automatically. Yes, as yours with my risk amount, and
This
I
is,
fetch my.
if you want to see real quick, this is how I do it by hand. So if I wanted to enter right here, I would put my short position tool right here, my stop loss where I wanted it to be, and then I would
Yeah.
right click, create limit order. You have to be on an account. So right click, create limit order, and then you change the units. So if you wanted like 15 units equals $500 worth of risk.
Yeah, but that's boring and in my strategy.
Yeah.
I don't have I don't have time to do this.
No,
So.
I know. I understand. Yeah, it's just, yeah, that's the way I do it by hand sometimes.
Yeah, I will show you. Wait, I'm actually ending, and I show you what my indicator does. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can come on the screen. Then I got this to open price, this for stop loss, and I can move up like that, and then show me point at risk, number of contracts that I want for money, for example. Imagine I want to risk wait $500, and it will show me the number of
I
contract
see.
for this position.
That's pretty
Is
sick.
this
Yeah.
your own indicator?
Yeah. I just ended like I did it in like probably 2-3 hours.
Oh, interesting. Because in Dodge's server, I know a guy trading. What's his name? Trading NQ maybe.
Yeah, Trader
And
NQ.
yeah, he shared his own. It's perfectly the same.
Yeah.
And
But
Tomei wanted to implement it
Mhm.
into Dodge's indicator.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
he could maybe help with this if you ask him.
I just inspired, but I already saw this indicator in Forex market, but I had to adapt for the cheaper point and dollar per point because futures and Forex not the same. So I used the same logic that I see on his indicator, and I just copy it. And
Yeah.
that's huge because when I adjust my position by my confluences and average range. My strategy, no fucking care, but I don't have the time when market open and move so fast sometimes to calculate, so I had to got this. And yeah, that's easy. It's only 200 code lines. That's okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be eyeing this 5 minute coming into market open. I want to see what we
Yeah.
do inside of it.
I agree.
ES and YM tapped it and made an SMT there. So let's see. I mean, I would like to see us still come and tap it again. But thank you.
Yeah, looks like we should.
Wow. Crazy.
Holy shit. Sweeping 2 pump in market open, maybe.
That 701 low is only like 40 points.
Yeah, I wanted it to see us like take out that internal high inside that 5 minute, but
Yeah, we SMT'd the internal high like that 9 a.m. candle.
yeah.
But no, yeah, SMT at these lows now.
Wow. YM just pushed up massive amount.
Jeez.
About to take that a high, low key.
The YM method.
Alright, here's market open.
Sheesh.
Wow.
Wait. Wow.
Wow. YM
What the
just.
f-
Holy shit. It took out Asia High.
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit.
Well, I definitely don't want a long then. In that case.
Holy shit, YM.
Whips on. Is why I'm just ripping still.
Yeah. It's above.
ES is also ripping.
Above True Day Open.
Yeah, ES is ripping. NQ just completely discorrelated here. I do want to see those 701 lows get taken on NQ just because like it's super near term. Can make an SMT there as well.
Yeah, we're pulling them.
But I do want to just see us like flush. We have a lot of lows like stacked up below.
There it is. Wow.
$632 low would be the next target. I have a fib down there, like the -2 lines up. ES is correlated now, at least.
Mm-hmm.
Holy, ES correlated like that was not real.
Yeah, NQ dragged it down.
I am in a short from the 1 minute gap. I entered on that 930 candle. Not gonna lie.
That's fire.
I'm just holding break even and holding to the 632 for these evos. See if we break me even or if we keep flushing. Do seem heavy though. We also have the SMT at those lows, pre-market lows. My break even's at 730.
Oh word. You got first presented to protect you for now.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, give me one day of some clean delivery, bro. I'm losing the plot.
Wow, YM fully is coming back down now.
Gee, ES invalidated the SMT at the lows. I want to see if this gap can at least protect me here.
Yeah, this is first presented right here.
I'm gonna see this hold and then flush us down towards 632. Okay, or not.
Wow.
Fuck me, right? Just directly to my break even. Holy.
Jesus.
What the fuck is that timing?
Sheesh.
Wow. That was insane.
That is crazy. Can't lie. We're gonna get data. Is that what's gonna just flip us?
Wow. Holy shit.
Took out those pre-market highs. Tap that 5 minute there as well.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if we get any reaction here.
Yeesh. Looks like data high. Like,
Yeah, we got 20.
I mean, that's a crazy flip. Like,
20
holy.
20 seconds on this 5 minute.
Did you catch the no?
Yeesh.
I did not know.
I did.
See, it's
I
5
took
minute.
the 30 second.
5 minute got the close. Looks
It's spiking actually.
One would assume we're gonna sweep that out. But NQ doesn't tend to make it that easy, do they?
Nah.
Let's find out. Holy. The 5-minute inversing flips right back down.
Crazy.
I
Just
didn't take the
screwed-
5, but
I didn't either. That just screwed over so many people I know for a fact.
yeah, 100%. This huge 1 minute right here.
Yeah, I like shorts. Out of that 5 minute.
Yeah, if we get a flip here, super weak again.
So, I'm assuming.
Yeah, didn't close the gap there. This is still like hovering inside of it too. See, let's see. Would have been down to short if we closed that gap.
Yeah,
Still waiting though.
I'm looking for a retrace here, too.
Yeah. short game. Be like a good break even area. I would just have to break even on like displacement if we get strong.
Like, you took this one, the 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, word.
The retrace, and then we inverse the gap with the retrace as well. See if it holds or not. 5 minute close was super strong as well.
No, that was, yeah.
I don't have any SMTs down here right now, unless YM has done anything. But
No, why I'm still at the top.
see, only thing is ES is definitely stronger here, but
Jane,
What's up?
do you think that I can go in the colors team, because I'm literally sitting all the day and waiting for the market to move, so I have nothing to do.
If you wanted to, we could definitely like set you up with an interview and stuff and see if you know your position, if you could fill a position. You want
Yeah,
to
do you-
you want to open a ticket and then just say that you spoke to me in the live and that you want to possibly get onto the
oh
coding team.
shit, I'm gonna go break even.
Yeah, break even. Okay.
We have an SMT at that low too, so solid break even. I think.
Yeah, that's a good break even spot.
I'm targeting 615 lows. I'll fill that lines up there. Those. Basically 1.1 R.
Okay.
I'm tired of holding anything over that, so fuck it. Please, MQ, don't break me. We need DS to take that low out and invalidate the SMT. Are we gonna stall here so break leave or something? 632 low is close.
Yeah, I'm watching the 632 low. I just hate how we're starting to stall here coming into that draw on liquidity.
Yeah, I agree. Got the macro in a second. Might go some volume. Honestly, I feel like we might flush all the way through. Like there's like 569, 595. Like if we just get heavy,
Yeah, that would be dope if we just started flushing.
there's a lot of stacks also. I just don't want to extend my TP because I feel like it'll just fry me. We can spike it. No way, right?
Wow, dude. Come on.
Alright, GG.
Oh my god. There's no way.
Huh.
Wime's pushing down hard here.
And then you know you want to. You want to give a nice little spike through. Thanks.
There you go. Fire.
Dope. Not too shabby.
John, did you take this?
I didn't take it. I wanted to take this up here, but honestly, I got cold feet.
Yeah, that flip was really nice.
I also wasn't fully convinced with this first presented flip, but it did work out.
Yeah, I didn't even go off the flip to be honest. How that gap closed on that 939 handle, I just entered.
Oh,
I only took that because I wanted to see the retrace like be used to close that inverse to send us lower.
Nah, it was valid, honestly. I don't know.
But the only other thing that I didn't like is like I'm just not understanding why we're coming up and edging data highs like back to back days and then just flushing from them.
Yeah.
I mean, yesterday I guess technically like the data high was taken, but in today's case like that data high is like the actual 830 high, and we just came up and edged it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, look at that reaction.
But
wait,
and then like
just go
also the
here.
5 minute too, like the 5 minute was like that closing also like threw me.
Yeah, I agree. That 5-minute close threw me off. That's why I got the cold feet. I wanted to see us sweep those equal highs and then just flush from there, but
That 5 minute was just weird because we swept the lows and then just like immediately just like blasted off like we're gonna go for data highs, and then I don't know.
Yep.
Low key, like I kind of, if anything, like I kind of want us to go higher for that gap you're talking about, that daily gap. Like I do want us to trend there.
Yeah.
That would actually clear us up. That'd be the high time frame like manipulation. Because now, like when you look at the daily now, it's like are we just gonna put in another higher low,
Yeah, no, I know what you mean.
and then it's like I mean the 4-hour inverse for delivering all the stacks outside. I mean from here it would still be valid to look to short. No. 595 and 570 are still draws. Let me see.
Hey, Tony.
We have S&Ts though at that 632 low we took.
I saw your short. Did you short it before the inverse?
Who, me?
Tommy.
I'll tell me.
Oh, did I short before the inverse?
Yeah.
Like kinda. I think the candle closed like exactly at the inverse.
Yeah, I shorted from that gap, that reaction. Look at the inverse.
I'm not gonna lie, I was
Anyway.
gonna short the 936 close, but like I just had this feeling if I shorted that I would have just got absolutely fucking like railed.
936, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That was the stop would have been crazy as well.
I mean my stop was already crazy, like as it was. I mean
Did you take
either
it?
way.
I was
I took the 939 candle, yeah. I took it down to 615. The lows there. I had a fib down there, so I just expected like at least that would get hit.
I closed
Dude,
a
I
little
just
early.
really-
I have to apexes now. I have to worry about trailing drawdown. I don't want to get owed.
Yeah. I would just go for 1 hours then if that's the case. You can get past it.
facts.
Yeah.
Even then though on Apex, I would just go for 1 hour in general, bro. I used to just risk a mini and it would be like 400 to 500 risk for 400 to 500 like profit.
Yeah, I'm risking kind of soft right now.
Yeah, it's better.
I'm gonna just keep stacking base hits.
I risked heavy on that. I mean, I'm on paper, so it don't matter.
Got this 1 minute gap tap right here.
These candles are weird.
Jean, you here?
Yeah.
Can we check the 30-second short? Was it alerted? Yeah, nice, nice.
Actually insane.
Yeah, I wanted to take this short, but didn't have the confidence up there.
I just took it on paper.
Yeah, but actually insane this alerted too. Thanks.
No problem.
2 minute, 1 minute gap tap. Also a 3 minute. We have a 5 minute still unfilled above. I think that 5 minute just got made actually.
What indicators are you turned on so the FPGs are plotted and not the? Because
The FVGs. So
yeah,
I have the IFVG, the dodgy one, and then just first presented fair value gap one.
all right. Tommy, did you look at your DMs?
Not yet.
I
I'm gonna check.
I DM'd you last night.
Okay, bet. Yeah, I'll check it out. My DMs get spammed sometimes with the dodgy requests.
Understand it. All right. Thanks.
Bro, I need Apex to unban me. I asked them again and they just send me some like the same, I just know it's an automated ass message, bro.
No, it definitely is.
There's nothing for you guys to review. If you want to take me live, take me live. Make me the first live Apex trader.
Dane, did you dream about CPI on silver this night?
Yes, I did. Thank you. Thank you for bringing that back up.
Yeah, I remember this big move on silver, you know.
I'd be break even on this paper trade at that low there.
You guys, I'm gonna hop up. I got class.
But bro, no worries.
Peace.
All right.
Internal SMT with the S at that internal low there. We do still look weak on NQ down towards 595 draw, in my opinion. Sheesh. Well, I should have been break even there, but apparently you can't even get filled on trading view paper.
Wow, that's fucked.
Like what the fuck? Trading view paper slip. Yeah, that would have been a break even trade. It was solid. I like that structure. I see. Look where this 4 hour is. Like it just looks like we're just gonna go through all the lows. Solid candle down. It's actually insane. It wick through the break even does that shit right there.
That's crazy.
Sick. I still like the drawdown of 569 if like an actual setup presents towards it, but
Yeah, there's been absolutely garbage today.
yeah, we're just starting to grind. As usual, we get like tiny little move and then just start grinding.
Yep.
Gold looking kind of interesting, Jan.
Let me check it.
I'd be bullish on gold.
The only thing is we left equal lows at the New York AM low.
Let's see.
613.8. That's yesterday's New York AM low.
Oh, okay, yeah, I do see that.
Let's just check if silver took it out. No, I don't think so. Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's just out of this like huge 4-hour gap. I go back to look at NQ like I expect something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nothing's changed.
Bro, I saw some guy post on TikTok. He posted like a 2K day on his top steps, and like I look at the top left of the ticker, and bro is trading natural gas.
What?
I thought I was fucking like tripping. Bro is trading NG
That's kind of crazy.
2K day on natural gas.
Wow. That one guy that you sent me, like his live, and like I always see him too. That guy's a pretty good trader.
Mm-hmm.
I forget what his name is and stuff, but
Honestly, there's a lot of like good traders on TikTok. They're just all like small creators.
mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get used to using these fibs that Shinobi had dropped on his channel. It's like it gives you like retrace levels, reversal levels, and then like distribution levels.
Fire.
Jeez. There's 595 with no setup, of course. It's like that woman in Gap Hill, but just like break even. Just
Yeah. Fuck.
I almost feel like on days like this where we're just like sending through all the sell side, it's like I almost feel like you just can't even bother to frame reversal. Like you might as well assume we're just gonna keep going through all the near term sell side.
No, I agree, 100%.
Yeah, like at that point we're just running liquidity, not even like sweeping it.
Yeah. Now we would have to see some sort of, hard reversal with volume to see a nice reversal, but
Yeah,
it's just a slow grind down.
I agree. Okay, we don't have SM2 and ES at these lows anymore, at least. Yes, correlated.
Yeah.
Holy. Oh, all right.
Wow.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, what the fuck is that?
Wow.
Oh, and it's right at 10 a.m. There's not even 10 a.m. news. Oh, wait. Yellow folder 10 a.m. news.
It did move
Yeah,
more-
yeah. Got
That
some
should
news.
move more than 8:30.
Yeah, it moved more than 8:30.
Bro. 10 a.m. peel. Ah. That's insane. Like, okay. Holy. I was gonna say 527 and 520 are the next draws, but they might just flush it out. We do have SMT now with ES again. So what, the news was that crazy?
Yeah, right.
Like what the Oh, well, I guess that is quite. Wait, that is a pretty big discrepancy. Wait. Well, I guess existing home sales rose by 5% in December. I mean, I don't know how that's. I mean, that seems like a pretty big discrepancy, but Jesus, that sounds like a lie. Like, yeah, I'm sure everyone was buying houses last month.
Mm-hmm.
All right, see, next draw is 527. So, and 520. So now we find conditions that can send us to those levels. This 1 minute gap. 2 minute gap above. Get a breakaway. Might also make this 2 minute the 1 minute gap.
Come on, give me a retrace into this 2-minute gap, and then a nice inverse.
Do it, NQ. Do what you're told.
One time NQ.
Honestly, without close that low is like a retrace and just dumb down immediately. I don't want to see any chop like bullshit.
No, yeah. Little AMD right here, that's fine.
hmm
Into this 2-minute.
Just like quick manipulation, the internal high, then dump us right back.
Yeah.
Step on a 1 minute. We might make a new 2 minute in 10 seconds right here.
Yeah.
I don't even want to open my port.
Oh shit. I'll do
I'm
it.
not gonna.
I'll do it.
Somehow Intel's gonna be up 800% on this guy.
Oh shit, actually. Well, I'm only in Intel and Intel's up today.
Like, what the fuck? That is insane. Like, bro, what?
It's only up 84 cents.
Let me check. I mean, maybe it's not that bad, but I mean, let's see. Do for the moment of truth, and holy, down 1.5% on the day.
Today's the most I've ever seen my port, actually.
Jeez. Vertical down candle.
Really?
Literally. It's alright, you gotta zoom out, you just gotta look at like the like year.
Yeah.
When in doubt, zoom out. That actually is insane. I'm gonna get rugged. Well, of course we get a retrace and then we stall like we asked them not to.
Mm-hmm.
There's a 2 minute tap.
All right. This is good. Dig into it. Leave a fair value gap.
We also do have like another 2 minute and 3 minute above. See what happens.
And we immediately close that fair value gap, that potential one. So It's 5 minute right here.
Yep, a line of that 3 and that 2. Five-minute tap, baby.
Yep.
No, we have a small 1 minute. Oh,
Wow.
okay. And it inverts.
I'm gonna try that.
I took it on paper.
Let's see if I can pass half these combines.
On NQ. Send it. Okay.
It's an awesome first candle.
Jesus, what the fuck?
Oh,
This is that Elantra needs to go first, and then that guy's car. Um,
What the fuck?
I love when I bottom tick the opposite way.
Like what is that?
The first like decent setup we got 5 minute gap tap, nice strong flip down, and it just completely fails.
Yeah, it's actually wild.
Unless
Come on, NQ, unless.
come on, one time NQ.
All right.
Wow. I didn't run a stop loss, so I was just. It's until the accounts are blown. They flashed negative 2,000 though, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
But I'm still in. It didn't
Come on,
flash.
just sell it now, NQ.
That would
He has
be
diamond hands.
that would be insane, bro.
He has diamond hands. Give it to him. We lucky got an internal SMT too right there, so like would be sick if it held and just flushed.
Yeah. I did see a flash 2K though, negative 2K. That's crazy.
If they don't know, doesn't matter. Come on, NQ. You know you wanna.
I mean, this is absurd.
Yeah, it honestly is. Like, I don't get how we get a nice like retest like that and then immediate flip down, and then just don't continue. Like what?
Makes no sense.
Yeah, that 1 minute close actually was pretty strong.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah.
Oh,
Alright,
what?
Nah, this is ridiculous.
Jesus Christ, that was ass. Oh my God.
That was so
What?
ass.
Kind of a candle, bro.
Well, I
Oh,
got
huh.
fucked.
The U.S. alerts the citizens of
Cooked.
the U.S. alerts U.S. citizens to leave Iran.
That's
Well, they said they should
bullshit.
leave now. I guess that's bullshit. I guess anything war related, but it's like, bro, guys, tweet overnight.
Got fried.
That is like, that's actually unreal. Jesus Christ. Oh, we got tariff talk too. Oh, out of thin air.
Nice.
That's like, okay, that's got to get banned, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's got to get banned. Or like they have to have like a 5 minute warning or something. Like they can't just do that shit.
It's so fucked.
I'm still just not even understanding what this whole Iran thing is. I just keep hearing like Iran this and that, but it's like, what is the issue?
Interesting.
I mean, did we flip bullish? Like, what is going on?
I don't even. That's just like
Yeah.
I don't even know how you would look at it. Like what a liquidity injection. Like what? Like I mean, what even is? And one thing I don't understand is how does the market react to news by the second? How?
No, it doesn't. It's algorithmic.
Yeah.
I've always thought of that. It's impossible.
Right? Like there's no possible way. But it's like,
Bro, the human brain
I don't
can't
get that.
comprehend what you're reading and then like determine.
oh, you're saying it's the algos that are like okay. So you mean like the automated systems that are like putting the orders in?
Oh yeah, dude. I like in my
Okay, yeah.
head, bro, you can't process like, all right, news came out like this, is expected to be this. You can't process whether that's going to
Yeah.
be good or bad and then buy or sell a shit ton
And
of
then buy.
quantity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Within the time that we see the news candle jumps. Like it's
Yeah, because you're not even
impossible.
gonna get filled in that case either.
No.
Like even if you do get to like click the button.
It's impossible. It's all made up, I think.
Maybe
I mean,
you
yeah,
can.
there's just
Maybe you can with AI.
I mean, well,
Yeah, I
I
was
mean,
gonna
like,
say, maybe
I mean,
it
in the,
reads
I
it
mean, in
and
the
then
sense of
takes it
like,
as
if
positive.
it's news that's already predetermined, like CPI news, like that I can understand. What I mean is like random announcements like that. How is the market reacting to like a random tweet by the second like that? Like to
Uh,
actual news, I can see how that would work. Like, I mean, you
I
just say your
think
algo up.
it's AI algo. I think they can understand if the news is positive or negative for example, the Nasdaq, and then press button.
Jeez. So then,
But
but
that's
then, so
crazy.
then, if even if it is AI, so then what would it have been back in the day then?
Well,
I
but
think it
but
probably
that's
existed in a simple version
Like it would have just been
for a
like
long
what, like
time.
there's simply coded algos that don't have to do the AI.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
It's not as in depth as AI is right now, but it's taking what the news is as positive and negative. They definitely have algorithms for at least for a couple
Cheating.
decades, probably.
And
Yeah,
that's
of course.
why they won't. That's why they won't develop the super AI, because I think it should be crazy for everything that we know.
I think
I
AIs are existed forever. Honestly, I think AI has existed for at least the last decade, if not longer.
Yeah,
Yeah, for
probably,
sure.
but the super AI, I think we don't have the power to develop it. So you can't imagine super AI, the powerful that she can have with crunching power. I mean, if average man like us got super AI, I think we can probably make infinite money because he should understand everything on the market. Just the thing that he don't have it's data and volume actually because he's not a broker. But I think we can beat the market for that reason.
Fair enough.
You know that 80% of the position or the market are high frequency trading, and then when you see a candle, actually 80% of the liquidity of that candle even there because it's just microtransaction of nanosecond.
Right, yeah.
I don't know if I should take a stab at a long at 6:04 around that 1 minute
Mm.
after a retracement.
This is weird. Now we're inside of this
It's just
15-minute
weird.
gap
Yeah.
up here.
Yeah.
There's 15 up here. Yes, it's also in the 15. But I mean, we did just get a strong candle like in the bottom after taking out all the lows. So we could grind higher. We could honestly just like stall since we just came down and took out all the sell side, and now we're back up into the range. I would only take some if it's like absolutely clear, like if it's just like makes sense
Yeah.
in every way. Yeah. This whole entire 5 minute would have to inverse to even like attempt short, huh?
Yeah. I mean, we did put an SMT right here, internal SMT, and then we tapped the golden pocket, but
Yeah, it might just be fried now.
yeah, I don't really like anything here.
Yeah, we took out like a bunch of sell side. on the move down, so it's like we could reverse, but I also think we just start stalling again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean on the move down, we did like leave an SMC with ES like at session lows, so I mean I don't know, it just looks bad on both ends at this point now. I feel like.
Yeah, I don't really like anything here.
I just finished my indicator. That's pure bang. Let's go.
Yeah, for the higher time frame, it's like I just want to see the higher time frame kind of continue through all those low resistance lows, to be honest.
Yeah.
And then we also have previous week low at 406. Today's what, Wednesday, so like that could be weekly objective perhaps.
Mm-hmm.
This price actually needs to clear up. Like I don't know, this is just actually terrible. Like yeah, when I look at December now, December is like compared to this shit,
Oh, December was so much better.
like it's not bad. November, like I think like honestly for me, I'm pretty sure like September and October were like the best for me, but the higher time frames did not look that good in those months.
Yeah, variance really is kind of crazy, not gonna lie.
Yeah. We should just quit and become professional poker players.
I'm down.
We'll just go to Vegas, you know, just give everything up, get on the poker table and SVJ.
That's really.
Bro, that's what Rips does. Rips says that him playing poker for so long is the reason why he's so good at trading. And like, bro, that man took an account from I don't even know. I think he put like 300K in an account or something. But like as of recent, like that thing was saying like 2 million.
Wow. That's
And like he's been taking withdrawals on the way up too.
Jeez, man, how do we get on that level?
It's just I think it just comes down to like just confidence in your mind. I mean, Rip's been trading for at least a decade or longer. But honestly, I think it just comes down to confidence, really. Like seeing a trade that you know you've seen play out hundreds of times and just slamming size on it and
Yeah.
playing it like a robot.
Mm-hmm.
But his win rate is insane. But his trading style is completely different. Like he trades order flow and momentum. So like he's looking at levels on order flow, and if we get a hit on that level and strong like momentum off it, he's just writing that down and like averaging constant on the move.
I got you. Yeah.
Yeah. But he also like, bro, he literally spawns candles though. Like he did that shit on gold.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
Like that's like insane. Yeah, honestly, I'm just realizing. I think in this type of price action, I just go back to the 1Rs at this point. Like
Mm-hmm.
I'm starting to realize if I would have, I mean, that trade, if I would have held past a 1R, like it would have worked. But that's like the first trade in this whole month that would have done that. Every other day we've just been reversing from like 1R, even less. And now we sit and do nothing. It just goes right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is just looks garbage now.
Yeah, I mean, this 5 minutes was gonna send us. Like, I'd want to see a reaction a lot sooner than this, and
Hmm.
yeah, we're just going sideways now. Which, I mean, it makes sense considering the move, but
Yeah.
like if we tapped that 5 minute and then got like super strong, then I would have assumed continuation of data high since that's still intact. I think YM you said took out all those highs though, right?
Yeah, I took out Asia.
And then came back.
Yeah, Asia, London, and everything.
Jeez.
Let's see what did gold do. Reswept and bull run low.
Oh yeah, interesting. I feel like if I traded gold, I would never use a 1 minute time frame. Like it never looks good to me on gold.
Yeah, nah. You need
Like that 5 minute inverse right there
Oh yeah.
into the unfilled 5 minute.
Smack that
And I
bitch.
scalp.
Smack that bitch with 3 cons.
That's what I'm saying. Like, but like it's so clean. Like you get a resweep,
Yeah.
clean 1 candle inverse.
Yeah.
You have an unfilled PD array above that to target. Like Jesus, bro.
I know what you mean. 100%.
Like the R on that, you depending on your stop, like you might only get like a 1, but it's like that's just like super clean and obvious right there.
Yeah. Who cares at that point, honestly, you know?
Yeah. I mean, bro, on Apex, I was literally like, even like after the buffer, like I would still do like fucking like a 0.7 R trade or whatever. I mean, if the trade is probable, it's like,
Then who cares? Yeah. It doesn't matter.
yeah.
Yeah.
And hedge funds are not hitting 2 Rs, bro. They're not even hitting 1.
I know.
Hedge funds are going for like 0.3 R. Like, it just comes down to leverage. This game is literally all leverage.
And that's why, like, if you want to start making more money, you just got to add more accounts, not more size.
That's the thing, yeah. It's like you can literally trade 3 micros on 50Ks and have 20 50Ks, and that adds up.
Agreed.
It's just so much harder stacking firms. I feel like for me to stack firms, like I'll literally just have to like pass one at a time and then trade them all at once they're all passed. Like
See, that's the way I think you have to kind of do it, honestly.
it's like copy trading with the copier just gets like the discrepancy will just like get to a point low key some days, and then like trying to trade evals alongside XFAs is not ideal.
Yeah. Yeah.
But honestly, I might just go for 2 firms. Like I think I might just do like Top Step and Tradeify. I mean, since Top Step apparently fixed their issues, it hasn't been terrible. So
It's not a bad idea. Tradeify's select plan is nice, honestly. It really is.
yeah, I mean, you get like you secure 2 payouts across 10 accounts per month. Like that's good enough.
Yeah, but isn't Tradify 20% consistency rule?
Not
No,
the
not for
select
select accounts.
Yeah.
Those ones I think they don't even have a consistency. I don't think. Right?
There's no consistency, no.
It's pretty much just like Top Step. So like you copy trade them, your payouts are always like a line.
Yeah, you can choose if you want daily payouts or the every 5 days one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I low key it'd be sick like if I can do 5 150s on Top Step and 5 150s there. Like I'll just do those. That'd be like perfect stack.
Yeah.
I don't know why people are crazy about the thing of daily payout, whereas I don't know if it's a good idea. What does it mean? But
I mean, if you have a good week and like the market's just moving and you can leverage it, like you can take out like a lot of money in daily payouts instead of waiting 5 days.
yeah, but
Or like if the market has one good day where you can hold a long trade because there's no consistency. So
if you already got the max size of prop firm, I mean I don't care actually of daily payout. I reach out maybe every 2 weeks or a month, but I don't need the 1 day payout. I don't know why.
It's the daily payouts is nice though. I'm not gonna lie. Like you don't have to shoot for winning days or like anything. You just take your
you can also get your ROI back in just 1 day. Like the accounts can just pay for themselves and then you're just trading like free accounts basically.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
take your trade and then like you're done for the day and you get paid out that day, like of whatever you made. I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
I
We're actually kind of moving now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't tried daily payouts, but I mean, like, I probably will do take profit at some point. But if I do, I want to try and do the 150s and like leverage the fuck out of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I understand. Yeah, but
Yeah,
yeah.
because on
I do.
150s on like take profit trader, because they don't have like a payout cap. So on a 150, like if you do 5K across 150s on a single day, like you can pay yourself 25K in a day.
Yeah. And then, I
Yeah.
mean, honestly, though, it's the same thing with the 25K accounts. The only
Yeah.
difference is you just have access to more leverage.
At that point, you just have to build a buffer really for the 25s.
Yeah.
Honestly, I might do the 25s so I can like be able to take profit out. I mean, the 25s I could probably, if I just like hold the buffers and trade them for like 2 weeks without taking a payout, could be solid.
It's a really nice firm, honestly. I enjoy them.
It would just be better because you can just do like the 1500 like buffer within a few days or like a couple days.
You could do it, the first day too. There's no consistency.
Yeah, if you get like a really clean setup, because you'd have to basically like max leverage it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to go back and review my trades when I like used to hit like 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 Rs, but I mean those are just pure like top tick and bottom tick reversals. So I don't really want to. I don't have like the complacency for that shit anymore.
Yeah.
I go break even. Wow. Minuteur à 40 secondes.
This month actually needs to be over.
Mm-hmm.
I saw AG's back posting again.
Is he?
Yeah, I saw like on YouTube at least.
Shit.
I mean, shit. If he actually makes money trading, then it's like he can just continue on. Like,
Yeah, then it doesn't matter.
yeah, not really.
It's
Like, kind of, but not really.
nah, because if he's really making money, then who gives a fuck,
Yeah, no, yeah.
He's not gonna care if he's actually making money.
Yeah.
I mean, I really do think he is actually making money, though.
I mean, I think so.
Yeah.
But I did notice like after that, like he's now, or like the accounts he's on now, like he's on much less accounts than he was before that happened. I feel like. Like, I think now he's on like 3 Alpha Zeros, like 50Ks.
Oh, wow.
Come on, NQ goes up.
You want higher?
You said why?
You want it to go higher?
Because I'm in long actually.
Oh, I see.
I buy on 575 and I'm break even actually. I literally tap tick him. Well, I mean, I think that you want to break even me. Yeah, goes up. Give me my money. Yeah. Come on. Bang!
Good shit.
I'm clean for the day. Man. Around 1K on every prop. That's okay. I didn't believe in that trade. Taking long in that train line is kind of crazy, but I mean, I got it.
Good shit.
Yeah. Kind of crazy. It's because actually you trade continuation with inverse fair value gap, whereas I'm trading top and bottom tick, but so I don't care about the trend line.
Yeah, it's valid.
So how much did you made GMP today?
Like 5K.
Yeah, okay, good shit.
Fire.
Yeah, fire. Well, 1-to-1 trade.
Huh?
You took. Can you click on your trade just to know the risk reward ratio?
Oh yeah, it's not. I didn't. It wasn't this one. It was Was it this? Sure.
Yeah, good shit, good shit. Whew.
Does anyone have any?
Gold's looking good off that retracement.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
I got in on that on the 1 minute
Nice.
at 6:18. I don't know if I should.
Oh,
I'll probably
fire.
partial at this high and then hold for the rest. It kind of looks like AMD on the 5 minute, so that's why I took it.
Yeah.
I should hold my trade. I closed because market was quite ranging, but was pretty sure that the price gonna hit the 0.5 of this movement leg. Ah, shit. That's okay.
Yo, Jan, pull my screen up real quick.
Yeah, I mean.
All right.
What did
All
you
right, so
do?
you see this like this candle right here?
Uh-huh.
All right, so I shorted this on paper, obviously, but so you see this is my break even, but I went break even after we wicked it.
Uh-huh.
I'm starting to realize like with these trades where your break even wants to be here and it's like super close to your entry, I almost feel like it's better to wait for us to close the low.
Yeah. No, I've noticed that as well. You're right.
Because like in this case, I mean, obviously in hindsight, but if we would have closed the low, then break even, then like I mean, this just went straight to TP at that point.
No, you're 100% right, honestly. I've noticed that as well. You're not wrong.
And then I guess like on the sweep at this point, I guess what you would do is like you could just reduce your stop to the high here.
Yeah.
Got to start doing that. Data collection. I just like honestly, I'm cool with this happening. We just need to break like to one side. I don't even mind if like this is gonna be our break lower and we're just gonna trend to all these lows.
Yeah, that's fine. This is terrible though.
It's just something like
I know.
this is gonna be like what like the fourth inverse in this like range on the 4 hour. But like I mean, this one does look there. There's a lot of shit on my screen, but I mean we got that sweep yesterday and then
Yep.
that huge close and then distributed this morning and
Yep.
who knows, might just continue now.
Yeah. Mm. When did you start trading DMP?
Like a year and a half ago.
Yeah, okay. A year and a half?
Yeah.
And since when you're profitable?
Like July. I got my first payout in March, but July is when I was consistent.
So you got profitable in like 6 months?
Yeah, I started futures in December of 2024, and then I had my first payout in March of 2025, and then in July, after like since July, like I've had a payout consistently every month. Like I've been profitable every month since July.
Good shit, bro. I think that you're one of the fast guys that I think being profitable.
I agree, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like I don't know. I just compare this to like video games. I played a lot of video games like since I was I don't know, like 8 years old. I feel like it's all the same. If you do it
Yeah.
long enough, then it's just muscle memory.
Because I did the same, but I didn't. I was profitable because of crypto and Bitcoin was crazy easy to trade, but trading like stocks and forex are like harder. How many how can I say that? How much percent do you make by months? I don't know. How much do you risk per trade actually by on for example on a 100K prop firm by trade?
Okay. I mean, honestly, for my system, like I'd probably be risking like half the drawdown.
I mean, for example, on a 100K you got 4K 4K drawdown. So do you risk $400?
I'd risk like well, I've been leveraging more. I've been sizing, but like on 100K, just because my win rate is usually higher, like with my system, I would risk like 1,500 to 2K.
2K of stop loss on a 100K prop firm?
Yeah, because I mean, even on my 150Ks, like on my XFAs, like I'll risk like 2,500 out of the 45, so it's like over half.
Okay.
But it's like, I mean, if you know like your system and you know like your stats of your system, then you kind of just base you
Just
base
for
on
stat.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. No, because you mean you got over 80% of win rate?
No, I've like probably like at like a max of like 65, like 70 at its best probably.
Yeah, okay. I got
Holy
actually
shit.
Yeah,
I got actually
crazy.
40%, but I'm scalping and targeting 6 risk to reward ratio. So
I mean, I had like a probably a 30 or 40 when I went for higher RR. When I lowered my RR, my win rate went up like 20 or 30%.
Yeah, sure. But your stop loss are huge.
I mean, they're model stops, so it's like even if your stop has to be 100 points for the model, you put it there. I mean, you just have to lower your contracts to that point. But it's like a lot of people will move their stop like this because it's too wide and then get stopped out. But like if you use the model stop, then it's fine. You just have to lower your
Yeah.
contracts.
My stop loss are completely different because I tap tick, so I put my stop loss short to my confirmation, my conferences, but I seen that because I trade London and New York session, some conferences in London session are swept really high because volatility is too high. So I had to adapt my strategy because of that. Maybe 1 year ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, my average stop loss, I think it's 5 points.
That's insane. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, but it's add to the volatility. I create an indicator for the volatility of the market, and then my stop loss automatically add a percentage of the average range candle on the last 10 candle. So my stop loss are like 10 points, maybe 8 points because of the volatility in the recession.
Have you thought about like maybe incorporating a little bit of order flow?
No, that's not. I think that ICT strategy are not. I won't say not profitable, but this concept of ICT are definitely a good shit. So I take it one by one and create my own strategy to tactic, and I had the volume just to how can I say that? I had volume in my conferences just to market to don't sweep me.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, because on the conferences that probably react, the market can sweep, for example, in the London session of 1 point, but in New York session, there's because volatility is higher, this sweep will be probably 4 points. So I had to manage my stop loss to that.
Got it.
And for that, I learned and I just found that I take the 10 last candle of the market in 1 minute, and then I am in the actual volume, and I said to take the average of the last 10 candle and take 20% of this average, and I had this to my stop loss to don't be sweep.
Okay.
And yeah, it's probably a mix of order flow and ICT concepts, I think.
Yeah. I can't believe how much we're dumping. This is crazy.
Yeah, we were just plummeting.
Yeah, but you actually said it yesterday that today gonna be a fucking dump day.
Yeah.
Man, was sure because the sweep of the ATH yesterday was crazy.
Yeah, this move down is insane.
Yeah. Those market want to sweep the New Year low. 2 January low, maybe.
It's possible, honestly.
Yeah, we could. Yeah.
Yeah, we could, but fuck. It will literally sweep what we make in 2 weeks.
Honestly,
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I didn't see, but we got a lot of liquidity between 360 and 296. Yeah. Ah, fuck. Yeah, the market will tap in. We got 65 points of sweeps that we need to take, and that's probably order flow. 1 hour, and I can quit.
All right. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys.
Yeah, I'm down to call as well.
If anyone has any questions.
DMP just draw some shit just.
Sure.
All right, fellas. Till tomorrow. We'll see you guys.
See you.
Sir, catch you guys in the morning.
Peace out, fellas.
Catch y'all later.
Later.